garbage!
I don't know why more people don't love science.
Leave me alone!
I can't wait to get out of this place!
Hailing frequency. How's it going?
Gotta get new sheets again!
Dr. Krebblesnitch is like a brother to Miss Stanford. He's always so nice to her.
Loser!
Prepare to get beaten!
You didn't see the whole incident. Give me a break.
I don't have time to bother with
But
you.
that...
Oh, hi!
I just want
Lame
to
boy.
graduate.
Why are you picking?
Bye.
Check this out!
Gotta get to practice.
Leave me alone!
Ah, James, hurry up and get a table. We've got a lot of work before us today. Good work! You have a future in chemistry. Very good! Carry on! Oh my! James, keep your mind on what you're doing! Keep up the good work. You're almost done. Careful! Young man, stop daydreaming! Good job. Keep paying attention. Fascinating, isn't it? Good work! You have a future in chemistry. The coursework is done, gentlemen. You may go. Those of you with a keen interest in the subject may return and do work for extra credit.
It was easy! Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
Get a job!
It's not my fault.
You're an embarrassment to the
Have you ever broken someone else's bones?
I have so much homework, I might have to miss practice.
Half the people here can't even read.
I hope the police got my application.
Hi!
Think you can get out on your own?
I'm so telling on you.
Just want a word with you. You should not have done that.
I wonder...
How's it look?
I'm not listening.
Haven't you heard the news?
I'll beat you later, Hopkins.
I'm the president of the G&G Club.
You'll have to try harder than that. I wish someone would cause
You think
another
you're
word,
tough,
and
huh?
I'd play drum solo on your skull. Ah! I needed those.
Shame about the face.
I'm going to beat you now.
You're garbage.
Stop so I can beat you. Stop so I can beat you.
I've heard reports that some of you have been helping each other on the assignments. An admirable show of teamwork. That's right! Good one. Well done. Keep it up. Good show. Good one. Try again, James. That's right. Well done. Good show. Keep it up. I don't think that's in the dictionary. That's right! I'm afraid that's not English. Well done. Keep it up. Good one. Try again, James. Good show. That's right. Good one. Keep it up. Ah, you have the makings of a poet laureate, James. Well, Jimmy, I suppose you don't have to come back anymore, unless you feel like it.
Straight up awesome.
There was never any doubt.
I will beat you any better than me. You know what? I don't need this. Maybe she's like a prophet or psychic or something. Calm down, dude. It's cool. It's me. Let's talk it out. You're a coward. You can't beat yourself up over it, Bucko. You couldn't have known those were dangers.
You're coming with me. That hurt you much more than it hurt me.
Why can't they have fudgesicles every Friday?
Why do I get so nervous around boys?
Bite me, dillweed!
That dude, Dad, hit Peanut on the head with a yardstick. You're so stupid.
Why does Father always have to be
all
so
live a charmed life, and I like you for just another day in my
Hey! Oh. It's you.
Is that any way to greet your new boss, Harrington? Well, is it?
No.
No what?
No, sir.
That's better. At ease, girls.
Listen, boss, those grease monkeys are making life very difficult for Gord.
That's because Gord was showing one of their girlfriends a good time. Some leader you turned out to be.
Father says leadership is about looking after those you lead. He taught me that right before he laid everyone off.
So what do you want me to do?
Send them a message all over their dirty little slum.
Why should I?
Because you're the boss.
Exactly. I'm the boss, and I'll go send the message.
I've heard that Mr. Galloway sometimes I don't think I need to the girls, you know?
They'll all be sorry one day.
I wish Johnny would believe me about Lola. Come on. I hurt my hand. Wasn't our kid's head down the door?
Hi!
Why don't you get back?
What if I start a rumor?
Hey!
Now I'm part of it.
How's it going? Another can of water, be a press. Whoa, risky business.
What'd you think of that?
Way to go, douche. If veal is more delicious because it's made from... How you doing? So long.
Thanks.
Come here. See ya. Look who's decided to bestow us with the visit. You are What is this?
Now that's art.
You suck.
Yeah, that's it.
Somebody is gonna get their freaking lights knocked out! Who could ever call this art?
I'm good. That's all there is to it.
Mercy, there's Richard Fruit and cruelty.
I haven't told on anyone yet today.
Oh my god, did you see Maddie making herself sick in the toilets again?
But I know who did.
Oh,
You're I'm going to report you.
Okay, see you later.
You're getting busted just the way.
All having fun?
Look at the pipsqueak go! Fatty has arrived, my friend. Greetings, friend, and salutation. Salutation!
Save it for someone
I hope-
who cares.
Hi! I mean you! Mom says I have a real talent. You'll see! I think I'm just all talk, do they?
I heard Algernon is helping.
Amigo! I need your help!
Amigo?
Johnny and his goons were hassling me about Algie. That guy's gone even crazier. He thinks Algie is trying to put the moves on his girl.
Algie and Lola?
I know! It's crazy! Everyone knows Algie likes blondes. Listen, find Algie and get him back here until Johnny comes to his senses.
Where is he?
I don't know. I know he was working on a math project for Hattrick with Cornelius. Maybe he knows where Algie is.
Who?
Cornelius. You know, the scrawny kid in the acting club. He did an amazing Juliet in the school play. I think he has a 4.0 grade point average.
They made me play shirts and skins. I was skins. Oh, that's too bad. So I was thinking, ever been to a comic book store?
I wonder if Shakespeare had been so free speaking. See you.
Leave me alone, you fat.
Come on!
You see
We
that
know
move?
you know
He
where
stole
he
it
is!
from Johnny. Jack, boot that son of a
He's at the
bitch.
pizza parlor, okay? Please let me go now.
I
Just
told
fight,
you he knew where
fight,
Algie
fight,
was!
fight. You
Shut
guys
up, Gary!
fight like
You guys
sissies.
get Algie and
You
bring him
should've
to me
left
at the
left.
clubhouse! You
Think
guys,
you
take
see
care of this
that?
pathetic
Yeah,
excuse for
get
a
him
human
good.
being.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Help me! Please! Take that!
Anyone want a piece of this?
Kick it easy!
Don't even think, so you can fight. It's still
Oh, thanks so much, Jimmy. Hey, I was lying when I told Johnny that Algie was at the pizza parlor. You gotta go help him.
Jesus, in the hot.
Do you ever start a rumor about yourself?
Li is lithium, Na is sodium, K is potassium, Rb is rubidium, C is cesium, R is francium.
Be quiet! I smell free food.
so much trouble with Johnny Vincent and his boys.
So, Chad, honey, listen, it's just $100. That's nothing to a man of your means.
Oh, but Lola, I'd have to steal it off of my father.
But Lola, I thought that
Will
me
you
and
shut
you...
up, fatso?
Big boned, not fat.
I thought you liked me. You said you did.
I do. I really do.
Some friend you turned out to be. You must think I'm really cheap. Just a cheap slut. Well, that's it.
No, but Lola, wait!
Smartass.
Ridiculous. Women. Look at you both. You're pathetic.
But I thought she liked me.
I don't believe this. You both better get over it. Listen, we gotta get out of here before Johnny Vincent sees you hanging out with his girlfriend. Algie, you take the girl's bike. Chad, you better pedal for both of us. I get a feeling I'm headed for a fight.
But I was just helping Lola study, honestly. I'm so scared.
What? Well, he's got to be around here somewhere. Let's go find him.
There they are, on those bikes. Is that Algie? On a girl's bike?
Here they come. I'll hold them off. Just try not to crash into anything, Chad. One down.
Good. I'm getting tired. Give me a minute to catch my breath.
It's a trap! It's a trap! Chad, step on it!
Oh, damn! Wait, Bob! Jimmy. Just hold them off a little longer.
I wish I could stay in bed.
You can thank me for saving you later, but I seriously can't be seen with you.
You're worried about your reputation? Oh, wonderful! You found him!
Good job, Jimmy. You do have your uses after all.
Well, thanks for all the help, Jimmy. Perhaps you could come over to the observatory and play a game or two of Grottos and Gremlins with us sometime.
No. I'm done.
Did you hear that Mr. Burton dropped a dumbbell?
Apparently positive thinkers outlive pessimists.
So I'm going to die young and miserable.
Boy, that sounds...